Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make money with Printify pop-up store. First, what is Printify and what is Printify pop-up store? Printify is a platform that is considered one of the best print-on-demand suppliers. Print-on-demand basically means that all you need to do is come up with a design. From there, you can upload it onto any product. So for example, you can sell your own coffee mugs, t-shirts, anything at all that you'd like to add your design on, you can do that using Printify. You don't have to worry about delivery or anything like that. All you need to do is come up with the design, then from there drive traffic to your website, and once you get a sale, you'll get the money. That's it. Now, the Printify pop-up store allows you to create your own website using their platform for completely free. So normally when it comes on to print on demand, you would need to come up with a website and you would have to pay all of that money to create a website and so on. With the Printify pop-up store, you don't have to do that. To get started, you're going to go onto printify.com. Once on Printify, you're going to tap on Start for free. From there, you'll be redirected to a new page and you'll be able to create an account using your Gmail account or your email address. Once you have created your account, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap right where you see Lion Club on my screen and you're going to tap on Add a New Store. After selecting Add a New Store, you're going to tap on Printify pop-up and you can give your store a name. For example, the theme that I'll be using for this store is Dragon Ball Z, but it all depends and I'll be showing you why I'm using Dragon Ball Z later on in the tutorial. So be sure to stick around until the end. So for example's sake, I'll call this Dragon Ball Z. Then from here you can select your country of tax residency. So I'll select Jamaica. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Next. Once you have tapped on Next, you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you can choose any one of these 5 themes that you would like to use. So let's say this theme. For selecting the theme, you're going to tap on Launch Pop-Up Store. Then from there, you can tap on the X in the top right-hand corner. So now we have created our store. So the next thing you'll need to do is tap on Catalog from the left-hand menu option. From here, you can select what type of product you'd like to create. So you can see you have numerous options. You can select from t-shirt, hoodies, sweatshirts, female, male, kids, anything at all that you like to add your design onto, you can do that. And I'll be showing you how to do all of this for completely free. So let's say we were to select men's t-shirt. After selecting men's t-shirt, we're going to be selecting the express delivery. Once you have selected express delivery, and by the way, if you're watching this tutorial and you're not located in the United States, you could simply change your target market if you want. If you're planning to target persons that are in your home country or region, you can change it right there. After selecting it, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on Start Designing. Once you have tapped on Start Designing, you'll be redirected to this page. And the platform that we're going to be using to create our design is none other than Canva. And you can use Canva for completely free. Once again, you can sign up onto Canva using your email address. And the reason why I chose Dragon Ball Z, as I had said earlier that I would explain it, all I have shown you thus far is how to create your store. I have not shown you how to get traffic and how to start making money using your store. The concept that I would recommend that you give a try is coming up with a theme store. So for example, there are numerous persons across the world that love Dragon Ball Z. In case you don't know what Dragon Ball Z is or was one of the most popular cartoons around. And you can see right here, this is a page that is created on Dragon Ball Z inspiring quotes. And this page is getting hundreds of thousands of views every month. And I recommend that you would create a social media page directed to Dragon Ball Z, or it could be even your favorite sports team, whether that is a local team or, for example, I'm a big Arsenal fan, so I could create a Printify pop-up store based around Arsenal fans. So for example, we once had this invincible run. You can use quotes or so on from that, or you can just use inspirational thoughts that you think that other Arsenal fans may have. And you can go onto Instagram and you can create an Instagram page for completely free. For example, here I am on Instagram and you can see that this Dragon Ball Z theme Instagram page has over 134,000 followers, and you can see that they also have an high engagement rate and average like posts. And just like what I would suggest, they have a link in their bio, as you can see right here. And if I were to tap on this bio link and go onto their page, they are promoting these games. And you can also see, if I were to do some research, that this page that they're promoting is getting over 900,000 monthly visitors. So this is definitely a good idea to drive traffic, because you'll be finding passionate fans, and from there you'll just be selling them a product that in turn will help, to help them to enjoy their thing. Because I would definitely buy a t-shirt or some form of memorabilia, for example, a coffee mug or so on, for Dragon Ball Z or Arsenal, if it is to my liking. And there are numerous other sub niches or different theme pages that you can come up with, because more than likely anything that you like, any topic that you like, there are numerous persons out there that may like it also. And you can use different social media platforms. You could use Pinterest. So for example, if you're interested in decorating or anything that is more female based, I would definitely recommend that you go with Pinterest. And that is actually one of the better options, because females, statistically wise, tend to be better spenders or higher spenders online than men. Concept that we'll be using for the Dragon Ball Z theme page is we'll be using inspirational quotes. And the way how I came up with these inspirational quotes is by simply typing in Dragon Ball Z, as you can see right here, quotes inspirational. But if I were to type in Dragon Ball Z only, you can see there are numerous things that will pop up, network and so on. So I could zone down to different sub niches, just like what I said. So I'll scroll down and you can see the different quotes, and this is a popular character in Dragon Ball Z, Vegeta. So you can see Vegeta quotes right there, and you can see the different quotes. So we're going to go onto canva.com. Then below the search bar, you would tap on t-shirt. After you have tapped on t-shirt, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can see numerous templates from the left-hand menu option that you can choose from. So you can see the different templates right here. You can tap on style and you can see different styles. And if we were to just tap on design, so let me close this and go back to templates. Halloween is coming up soon. If I were to select Halloween, you can see different templates that you can choose from right here. And you can use these templates for completely free. Once you have selected a template that does not say pro, you can use it for free. But the pro templates, you would need to be a paid subscriber to use that particular template. Now let's say we were to just select a text, as we're just going to be creating a quote. So I'll select this text. Then go back onto this page and I'm just going to copy this quote. So let's do that real quick. Then go back into Canva and I'm going to select the entire text right here, and I'm just going to paste in our quote so you can see it right there. After you have pasted in your quote, you can change the size and the style. Then I'll remove the name, or you could put in the character that you're taking the quote from. And after you have done that, we could change the background color. So for example's sake, I could change the background color by tapping on the color circle. And I could change the color to something else. So let's say, for example, that color. Or you could put a faded picture of the character. But for the sake of time, I won't draw it out and do that. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then select download. Then tap on download once more. Once it has been downloaded, you're going to go back into Printify. And you're going to tap right where you see upload in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to select my device, and from there you'll select the design that you had created, and you'll give it a few seconds while it is being uploaded, and you can see it has been uploaded right here. You can adjust the size. Then you'll tap on save product in the bottom right hand corner. After it has been saved, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here you can see the different mockups. You could select a particular mockup that you like to use as the main mockup. Then you can scroll down. You could add a description if you want. You can add the title and description, and you could also add a size table. And by scrolling down, you can set your price right here, and you can see if you were to sell it for $15.68, you would make a profit of $6. You can increase your profit margin by tapping right here. You could increase your profit margin. Once you're finished, you'll tap on publish in the bottom right hand corner, and that's it. Now that you have tapped on publish, you now have created your first design. And if you would like to also view your store, you can do that. So you could go over to the top left hand corner once more. You could tap right there, select your store. After you have selected your store, from here you could tap on the three dots. Then you could tap on see in store, and you can see it right here. And you could copy this link and you can share it on your social media. You could put it in your link in bio, and then from there, once persons tap on it, they'll be able to go onto your store and make a purchase, and you can start making some money. And also, it is quite easy to set up the payment methods using Printify. You can go over to the left hand menu option, tap on store settings. Then from there you could tap on payout, and you can set up the different payout methods. You can also create marketing if you want. You can also do external branding, so you can send a thank you note or so on if you want. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.